mga kapitbahay! Welcome to my channel. This is again Kay, your Bulacan Realtor. And right now, I'm going to give you a update sa ating Bella Vista project dito sa Barangay San Vicente, Santa Maria, no? So guys, so nakikita nyo sa aking likuran, syempre, excited ako sa inyo na bigyan kayo ng update sa mga amenities natin dito sa Bella Vista 1. So, alam niyo naman guys, na ang ating phase 1 ay sold out na, pero ayan, ni-start nang i-develop ang ating mga amenities. So, ito ang ating clubhouse, then basketball court, tapos na ang basketball court natin, and syempre, huwag kayong malungkot kung interested kayong mag-purchase ng house and lot or unit dito sa ating Bella Vista project. Meron pa tayong phase 2, and kung bago kayo sa vlog ko, bibigyan ko kayo ng house tour sa ating project dito sa Bella Vista. So, come with me, let's have a house tour sa ating 2 model units na si Beatrice at si Bettina. So guys, again, so this is Bettina model, our model unit, second model unit dito sa Bella Vista. So, kanina nakita nyo yung update natin sa amenities ni phase 1. So, open pa tayo sa phase 2 natin, Bella Vista phase 2, and I'm going to introduce to you our Bettina model. So, our Bettina model, syempre minimum lot area is 80 square meters with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Don't worry guys, we also have balcony here sa ating Bettina model. Ang difference niya with our Beatrice model is ang kanyang balcony ay nasa side. So, you can also extend your balcony para may roof yung iyong carport. So, let's check the interior of our lot, no? So, sa lot natin, you have space for your pocket garden. It's up to you if you're going to make it as your pocket garden. And you have more space sa iyong carport. What's nice is you have 2 access door. So, the first access door is for your kitchen, garage. So, ito, pag nag-grocery ka, pasok ka, kitchen na. So, this is your access door sa kitchen mo. Next is, you have your access door sa service area. So, this is your service area. Again, guys, complete finish siya without the fences. So, ikaw papalagay ng mga fences mo, ng bakuran mo. So, this is your service area. Meron ka ng kasamang sink dito, countertop, and you have your socket here. So, it's up to you kung gagawin mo siyang kitchen or laundry area. And this one is your access door sa service area patungo sa kitchen. So, let's check the inside of our Bettina model. So, this is your main entrance going to your house. So, this is the living area of Bettina model. So, complete finish na siya with tiles, glossy, 60 by 60 glossy tiles with painted walls. So, this one is wallpaper. So, it's up to you if you're going to make it as your inspiration for the interior design of your home. This will be your living area and this is your kitchen. So, actually, kasya pa ang 6-seaters na dining area dito. Pero ginawa nilang 4-seaters to. Then, you have your window, aluminum sliding window here. Ito yung access door mo. And you have more space patungo sa iyong kitchen. Ito yung kitchen mo. Ito yung access door mo sa garage mo. No? And you have your first toilet and bath here dito sa ating first floor, no? Ito yung first toilet and bath natin. So, ito yung nasa ilalim ng iyong stairs. Pero, you still have space. Pero, pag matangkad ka, mga 6-footer, medyo sagad. Pero, don't worry, mataas naman yung ceiling ng second toilet and bath natin. So, this is the whole features of our first floor dito sa Bettina model. So, let's go guys. Let's go upstairs and check our rooms. Okay guys, so our stairs is wood and ang side rails natin ay steel. Again, you have your window for the daylight and you have your access here. Ito nga yung balcony mo na you can extend all throughout dun sa yung lot. So, para may cover yung bubong mo. So, mas maluwag yung balcony mo. Pansin nyo, mas maluwag yung hallway. Yun ang maganda dito. So, this is your second toilet and bath. Wala tayong ilaw, pero still with space. Yan, this is your second toilet and bath. With tiles na siya. Lavatory and everything. Yan. And let's check our first bedroom. Yan. So, this is our first bedroom for your kids. Kasyang-kasyang single bed. Here, your cabinet. Vinyl tiles tayo. Painted walls. Meron ka ng abang for your aircon. Pero hindi pa yan butas, guys. So, tayo second bedroom. So, ito guys, Bella Vista is really perfect if you're looking for 3-bedroom room. No? So, ito, for your other kid. Ayan. So, single bed. You still have your cabinet here. Aircon. So, painted walls na siya, guys. May kisame na siya. So, it's up to you kung gusto mong palitan lang siya ng wallpaper, mga ganun. Pero, ito na yun. Naka-vinyl tiles ka na. Lilipat ka na lang talaga, guys. So, perfect talaga to. Kung you have 2 kids, so, mag-Bella Vista ka na. So, Bettina model tayo. At least, guarded community with amenities. Yon. This one, guys, is your master's bedroom or your primary bedroom. This one is facing to your front yard. So, you have your aluminum sliding window here. Tapos, ito, double bed, kasyang double bed, and you have your space here for your cabinet. So, it's up to you how you will decorate your room, no? So, yan, painted walls. So, yon. So, do you like Bettina model? So, if you like Bettina model, let's talk about the price and the total contract price of Bettina. Let's go. Okay, guys, so you like Bettina model? No problem, no? So, this is our total contract price. Yan. That's our contract price. And syempre, again, just like Beatrice, it's available through bank financing and Pag-ibig financing. Pero ang ipopost ko, syempre, bank financing. And again, guys, good news, 30 years to pay. Pwede siya basta pasok sa edad, no? And syempre, ang ating basic monthly income. Okay, guys. So, for our down payment or 10% down payment for 24 months, ayan. Yan, guys. So, pre-selling tayo, guys, ha? So, at least, ibig sabihin, 2 to 3 years, turnover yan. And, guys, ito ang ating reservation fee. So, if you're interested, don't hesitate to message me on the number that you see on the screen so we can schedule a tripping. And, guys, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kay, your Bulacan Realtor, and this is your home properties. Bye!